My favorite feature of customizable models is creating different outfits for different occasions. Want to learn how to make multiple outfits for your customizable without having to start your edits from scratch? Stay tuned and I'll show you how. Hello, my name is Lumi, your local chronically tired calico cat girl, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own customizable closet with different outfits. This should work with most standard customizables on the market, so even if I show it on one, it should work for another. So let's get into it. Okay, so first, you'll want to have VTube Studio open. I highly recommend that you have your OG design ready. This will be your base outfit that you'll copy over. Then you'll click the model button right up here, where it asks you to change your model. Here we'll click import your own model, and a file explorer for VTS should pop up. You open folder, boom, that's your VTS stuff. From here, we'll look for our model folder of choice. Today it will be the Moshi Midnight, so that's this one. Open it up. You want to open that up and look for the EXP or expressions folder, so that should be this one right here. And this is where your expressions in your model get saved. You'll open that up and find your model expression that you made. For me, mine says Nico. As you can see, I have plenty of extras already. What you want to do is copy the OG base and paste it back into the folder. And then you want to rename that file. You can name it whatever you want. I go based off of numbers, so this will be Nico 7. Please do not delete the EXP section or the JSON part of the file, or this will not work. Be careful when renaming stuff. Once you have made as many as you want, you can close out of that window and return to VTS. And now we'll open the expression editor, which will be where the hotkeys and expressions are. And you should see the new expression. That would be Nico 7 for me. They will be exact copies of the same OG base that you made. So open the one that you want, that would be Nico 7, and obviously it looks exactly the same. And you can start customizing your new outfit and look. Once you're done, you can make a hotkey for your new outfit. So we'll scroll down and hit the plus button here. And you'll name your hotkey. So for me, it's going to be 7 again. And now we'll configure the rest. Click the hotkey action. We'll want to do set/unset expression. This will change the button underneath to say expression. Then we're going to look for our expression. That would be Nico 7 again. And then we will want to pick our key combination. This should be anything that you want to do for your hotkey. For me, I just keep it simple. I do Alt 7 because that is the number of outfit. And then I tend to ignore gesture trigger. If you want to get into that, feel free. But yeah. And you're all done. A neat trick, if you swap your outfit, you can see this transition. So do Alt 7 and you see how it has a transition between all of those outfits. You kind of don't want to flash people when you swap between them. So what I like to do is go into the hotkey settings and find fade for a sec and change that from 0.5 to 0.1. And then when you swap between them, instant. You don't get that fade transition. Another tip to remember is that these hotkeys kind of overwrite each other, but not completely. So you will still have the main outfit underneath. So if I do Alt 7 again, I'm still have my outfit underneath. My current base OG is tabbed with, or is using tab, so that would be the thing underneath. And you just want to be aware that if you're swapping between outfits, some things can stick. So if I do 7, the outfit is different, but like I do Alt 4, that bow is still there, even though the bow is not on the outfit. So things to be aware of when you are swapping out. And yeah, that's how you make multiple outfits for your customizable model. I hope this helped you or you learned something. If you have any questions or need help, hit me up in the comments below. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you kittens in the next one. Bye-bye!